This is the unboxing and review of Agaro Revolving Leather Punch Pliers or punching machine with 6 hole sizes for leather belts, watch bands, bags, dog collars, fabric, craft and etc. This is the original box pack of Agaro Revolving Leather Punch Pliers of multiple punch head sizes. 3 of them are round, 2 flat and remaining 6th hole size is oval with strong rubber handle with soft grip for added comfort and better grip. Model number is LP831. MRP of the product written on the box pack is 999 but got the product only at 581 rupees. Now let's unveil the product quick from the box pack. Inside the box pack you will get the punch pliers. With that you will get one screwdriver and with a punching base. Inside this box pack you will get the screwdriver and the black color punching base. Now let's have a glance on the punching plier. The plier is solidly constructed with a sturdy metal frame, ensuring durability for long-term use. Agaro branding is also there. The anti-slip handles make it comfortable to use even during prolonged session, which is huge plus for those who undertake intricate crafting tasks. The black and red finish is not only aesthetically pleasing but also provides a professional ergonomic design. Follow the rotation direction which is depicted here. The rotating mechanism is smooth and intuitive, allowing quick adjustment between the hole sizes. This tool features a revolving head with 6 precise hole sizes ranging from 2mm to 4.5mm. Each and every punch hole selection is confirmed by a click sound. Let's listen. If you want to change the punching base after a long use, you can use this screwdriver for changing this one. Unscrew it and then open the existing punching base. Open it first and then replace it by a same punching base given in the box. Now for making hole in the belt, you have to choose the proper punch hole size. I have selected 3 points on the belt by white dots where to make hole. Adjust the selected punch head on the white dot and then press and rotate it this way. And you will see the hole has been made. The punching mechanism is efficient, requiring minimal effort thanks to its leverage enhanced design. It punches clean, precise holes without frying or damaging the surrounding material. As its price point, the Agaro LP831 offers tremendous value. It combines professional grade performance with affordability, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and seasoned crafters. The pros of these punch pliers are durable ergonomic design, 6 hole sizes for diverse applications, smooth revolving mechanism, easy to use even for beginners, clean precise punches, affordable yet professional grade. About the con, if I say, the company could provide a storage pouch or case for added portability, slightly heavier than plastic alternatives, but the durability justifies the weight. Now let's look the holes created in this belt by these punch pliers. Thank you.